Modern research has proven that when cat's claw is taken by cancer patients along with their radiation treatment, it can help to lessen the side effects that are brought on by radiation, like hair loss. So, cat's claw is a medicinal plant, and in Jamaica, cat's claw is seen primarily as a nuisance by Jamaicans and is oftentimes discarded. Many people are not aware of its medicinal value. However, it has a long history of traditional use in South America, dating as far back as the Inca civilization, where it was oftentimes used to treat a myriad of health issues. Stay tuned. So, there are several types of plant species that are referred to as cat's claw, but the one being referred to in this video is scientifically known as Uncaria tomentosa. In Jamaica, it is commonly known as posmaco. However, in Spanish, it is known as uno de gato, among other names. So, cat's claw is native to the Amazon rainforest and other parts of South and Central America, but you can find it growing in Jamaica as well as in other parts of the Caribbean. In Jamaica, you can find it growing wildly and organically, mostly in forests, but you can find it growing in other green spaces as well. The cat's claw species found in Jamaica looks slightly different from the one that is found in South America. It is a woody vine that grows slowly, and it can take up to 20 years to reach maturity. It was given the name cat's claw because of its distinctive claw-like thorns which project from the base of its leaves, resembling the claws of cats. So this is what the stem of a young vine looks like, but it can be about 8 to 12 centimeters thick or even thicker depending on maturity. And it can grow up to 100 feet in height or even taller than that as it attaches and wraps itself around native trees. These are the flowers. As a child, I would sometimes come across cat's claw while playing, and many times the thorns would get entangled in my clothing, just like what is happening right now. And it would oftentimes penetrate it, and I would end up getting wounded. There are indigenous groups in tropical South America who use cat's claw in their traditional folklore medicine, and this is done by using the stem and root bark to treat things like inflammation, especially rheumatism, anxiety, urinary tract infections, gastric ulcers, cancer, diabetes, to cleanse the kidneys, to recover from childbirth, as a blood purifier, to treat asthma, menstrual irregularities, loose stomachs, fevers, dysentery, cirrhosis, and as a birth control. Cat's claw is widely used in modern herbal medicine, where it is primarily valued for its stimulatory effect upon the immune system. Modern applications include birth control, disease prevention, cancer, recovery from chemotherapy side effects, and childbirth, urinary tract infections, depression, abscesses, fever, viral infections such as herpes, human papillomavirus and HIV, Alzheimer's disease, asthma, chronic fatigue syndrome, to treat symptoms of the cold, to treat a wide range of intestinal disorders like diverticulosis, diverticulitis, colitis, gastritis, and leaky bowel syndrome, to fight against H. pylori bacteria associated with gastric and peptic ulcers, as a pain reliever for rheumatoid arthritis and bone pain, and to reduce memory loss and brain fog, among other things. So only a few small clinical studies have been conducted on the use of cat's claw, and modern research has proven that when cat's claw is taken by cancer patients along with their radiation treatment, it can help to lessen the side effects that are brought on by radiation, like hair loss, weight loss, nausea, etc. It has been shown to kill viruses, fight free radicals, and reduce inflammation. Research has also proven that the plant can help with DNA cell repair and prevent cells from mutating. It can also prevent the loss of white blood cells and prevent immune cell damage caused by many chemotherapy drugs as well. Cat's claw has several groups of plant chemicals, and the most studied group is the oxidol alkaloids, which has been documented to have immune stimulants and anti-leukemic properties. An in vitro study was also done which concluded that the plant directly inhibited the growth of a human breast cancer cell line by as much as 90%. And there was a research document which showed that it inhibited the growth of lymphoma and leukemia cells in another in vitro study that was done. So, for the treatment of health issues, the indigenous people of Peru usually boil 20 to 30 grams of the inner bark or root of the plant in a liter of water for 30 to 60 minutes. And this decoction is usually taken internally. Modern methods of treatment includes using the stem and root bark in the form of a powder, tea bag, or chips to make a decoction. And this is usually taken internally. These parts of the plant are also used to make a tincture or extract, which is used internally. Capsules and tablets are also taken, and all these treatment methods are not only used for health issues, but also for supplementation as well. For best results, it is recommended for you to use the actual plant, which is organically grown. However, if you do not have access to the actual plant, you can purchase it online or at your local health food store or pharmacy. It is usually sold in the form of tinctures, dried bark chips, dried bark powders, tablets, capsules, as well as tea bags. In the description below, I have included a link to Amazon where you will find different cat's claw products. If you decide to purchase any of these products, I will receive a small commission. However, it will be of no extra cost to you. If you are pregnant or you are a nursing woman, you should not take cat's claw without consulting your doctor. If you are taking any medication, please speak to your doctor before using. People who have autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis should not use cat's claw without proper medical advice. When used in excess, cat's claw may cause a contraceptive effect, diarrhea, nausea, or constipation. There can be dangers associated with the use of herbal remedies. If you would like to learn more about the latter, please click on the link above. Medical disclaimer. The information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.